DJMTV.
Hi guys, welcome to DJMTV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. If this is your first time of seeing any of our video, a very big thumbs up to you. Thank you so much for clicking on our video. Please go a step further, like this video, share this video, don't forget to drop your comment, subscribe to this channel, and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Do turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the very first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video, and check out our website at www.djmtv.news. Now let's take it straight up into the main news. We not get on our time if una like make una ban our cattle. Wetin we know be say as soon as una start the ban on our cattle, we sef go stop to dey bring food come south for Naija. Na so the matter just take be. Dis one na wetin northern traders tell the indigenous people of Biafra on top the ban wey dey place on cattle. Dis na DJMTV Daily News Update, your favorite channel. My country people, the Northern Traders Union wey gather body call themselves the Amalgamation of Northern Traders in Cattle, Grains and Vegetables don talk say they're ready for people for Southeast market. Say as a matter of fact, immediately the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, carry out their threatened ban on the consumption of cows wey dey train for north. Say dem sef go stop the carrying of food to the southeastern part of the country for inside the year 2022. These people wey call themselves Amalgamation of Northern Traders in Cattle, Grains and Vegetables talk this one after the indigenous people of Biafra ban the use of cows from Fulani herders for inside southeast. They talk say they no want to say make anybody dey use any Fulani cow again for inside southeast for the country, whether for ceremony or whether for anything. Say in fact they don ban am and say they no go fit dey chop cow wey be like say they dey use for bestiality, and like wetin oyibo dey call am. And that one na wetin IPOB talk and na so the chairman of the Northern Traders Group come outside. His name na Muhammad Tahi. He talk say members of the association they don already say they go stop to dey sell cattle, and not only cattle, they go stop to dey sell grains like rice, like corn, like beans, onions and other foodstuffs go southeastern part of the country. According to the statement wey be like say Muhammad Tahi sign, e talk say for us we dey always dey support say Nigeria na one but e be like say the indigenous people of Biafra their own self don too much. So if na wetin dem want to comot for the country, that one na their business. All the while we don dey rub body together, dey set things between ourselves to make sure say money dey the two regions of the country. But e be like say the cow wey we dey carry give them as food, they don dey reason am to be another thing, and we know say na food we dey give them, not be bad thing. Therefore, as they wan just reject our supply of food to their region, then we go stop. We no go give them food to chop again. Na that one call consign them, and they know how e go be. After all wetin we dey hear na unsustainable propaganda. Everything wey they talk all over the years, na wetin they no go fit do, and they like dey talk. So the matter wey dey ground now be say, since they wan ban our cows, we go stop to dey give them food. No be only cow, we no go dey send grains, onions, tomatoes, pepper, dey go that side again. One thing wey we know about this indigenous people of Biafra group, like wetin Tahi dey talk, e talk say dem know say IPOB no go fit sustain the ban say because many people wey dey for southeast, they go soon come outside and say we no go gree. By the time they no see meat and other foodstuff wey the north dey supply to chop. This one na still DJMTV Daily News Update. Make you don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And in case you just join us, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you go dey receive ogbonge news on top DJMTV Daily News Update. But I'm going to continue to work out on top of the informate wey we dey supply una. My country people, now go recall say this no be the first time wey be like say the north don threaten say they no go bring food come south, and wey be like say they carry out their threat. We go remember say for March 2021, after all the EndSARS protests wey scatter the whole Naija don finish, na this union wey they call Amalgamated Union of Foodstuff and Cattle Dealers of Nigeria come strike They come stop to bring yam, they not come bring onions, they not bring tomatoes, they not bring pepper. The thing affect everybody, even affect themselves, because tomatoes and pepper come spoil. For south this side, we not come get all those things to use. The whole matter come get as e be. People come dey say, which kind thing be all this one? Na make una stop, make una stop. We be one Nigeria, make we live together in peace and harmony. This same group will not forget say for inside March again, they don vex for Bayelsa people. When e be like say Bayelsa people don say, make una comot for our land. No be small thing that time. Even Mark Bank come talk say they no go allow their people dey even dey go that place again. And e get some part of Delta State wey be like say they don talk say to sell and even chop cow meat now for that part na taboo, na abomination. The whole thing come just get as e be. Come join the one wey say indigenous people of Biafra don talk now say anything dem wan do for southeast, dem no go dey use cows wey dem bring come from north again. Although the ones wey be like say dem train for inside the southeast, or those one wey dey call native cow, na those one na dem go dey chop now. Say because of kind health issues, or na na oyibo health issues dey wey be like say dey associated with the cows wey dem dey chop, and the thing dey poison their system. Even Ohaneze Indigo support the indigenous people of Biafra for this one. And na this one come make these traders for north come to say, okay, as una say una no like our cow wey we dey bring come, we sef we no go bring other things come too. We no go bring foodstuff, we no go bring any other thing. Make everybody dey their own. We want more be one Nigeria, but be like say IPOB no want make we be one Nigeria. Since when this news of IPOB ban on cattle break out, many people don react. Many people talk and say, this is what IPOB dey do, so we go cause wahala o, this go cause wahala o, abeg o. Make dem no use because of one person take rob everybody o. Now the northern traders don reply say, since una dey threa ten us, we sef go threa ten una too. As una no want make we dey get that our body touch body kind of money wey we dey get, wey be like say you buy from me, you give me money, I buy from you, I give you money. We go stop our own, make una stop una own, make everybody dey their own. Now when they don hear say northern traders don talk say we no go give una meat again, we no give una other food stuff wey we dey bring come again, many people don come talk say, this thing wan come throw us the time wey be like say for 2021, wey be like say food come dey all over Naija, sake of say this northern traders strike for almost 2 weeks. That time they say no go bring food come, they no go do. Although people don say go stay affect there, go stay affect there. By the time they no bring all those things come, which market now they want to sell am, they no carry am go south, south go join, southwest go say they need to buy too. Before you know, market go fall president, they go carry out, they go lift the ban. But even the northern trader dey talk now say dem know say IPOB no go fit sustain the ban, sake of say people for southeast dem know dem say small time dem go come outside call the shout say we no go gree, abeg una leave us IPOB to chop wetin we like to chop, not una go dey control food wey we go eat. Well, many people don react to the thing, many people don talk, put mouth. Some people don beg IPOB say make una calm down, we understand una annoyance, but this one not supposed to dey directed towards your fellow brother and sister for the country. The wahala wey una get supposed to be with government and not be fellow Nigerians for inside the country. Many other people don say, well, they support IPOB ban on cows, like wetin the Ohaneze Indigo talk, say they support the ban on cows, say because the thing they held the say some kind of akamuka dey happen for road before the cows they reach southeastern part of the country. Say so dem self support am. But some people don come outside to say, okay, now like say northern traders don threa ten their own, say they no bring cow, they no bring food stuff, they no bring other things. And many people know say most of the food wey people dey eat for the southern part of the country dey come from the north. How IPOB want make people take survive for inside 2022? No be how things want take there now that they do. How people want to survive with their meager salary. Many people don shook mouth put for here, shook mouth put for there, talk the one wey concern there. Some people don support IPOB, some people don support the northern traders. Some people they say I no dey support anybody, abeg make we just resolve this issue, make everybody move forward. My country person, wetin be your own comment? Wetin be your thoughts concerning this particular issue wey we carry come give you? Drop am for inside the comment section. Welcome back. Thank you so much for staying with us to the very end of this video. Please do not forget to like, share this video. Also drop your comment on the issue that was raised, and do not forget to go a step further by turning on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Do follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and also check out our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 247. Now, do not forget, you can also place your advert here at the GMTV and be rest assured that you get good value for your money. Now, until we come your way again with another exciting edition of the GMTV Daily News Update, do not forget that here at the GMTV, we set the standard. Yeah.
DJ ATV.
These Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ ATV.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ ATV. DJ ATV. DJ ATV.